But the problem is with the High Command. The High Command, they don't understand the sentiment of the people of grassroots level and the grassroots level worker. The problem starts there. So we felt that being a representative of 1,15,000 voters, there are lots of things to do for them. So I personally felt that I should join BJP so that I can do a lot for the people of my constituency and the people of Assam. In the Congress, you cannot achieve anything in a very short period of time. In the BJP, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma is an example who joined the BJP party 5 years ago, and for his work, the BJP party rewarded him and asked him to lead the Assam as a CM. That is the difference between the Congress and the BJP.
सुशांत बुरागोई को बहुत बहुत मेरा तरफ से धन्यवाद और मैंने वेलकम किया हमारा पार्टी के लिए। मैंने सोचा कुशल दुबरी और प्राक्तन जो एक्स MLA और अभी जो नया हमारा पार्टी में ज्वाइन किया सुशांत बुरागोई दोनों का जुटी में हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी आने वाला दिन में और डेवलपमेंट होगा और वो जो जनता है उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी का सम्मानित जनता वो लोग और जो गुड गवर्नेंस बोलते हैं सुशासन मिलेगा।
Sushanta Buragohai, by leaving the Congress party, has betrayed the people of his constituency because he has been elected by the people of the constituency on the Congress symbol and because he was a representative of the Congress party. So he has betrayed their trust. He has also betrayed all those people who had nurtured him in the Congress party right from his student days. He was given a lot of opportunities and he had betrayed the trust of those people who had promoted him in the Congress party. We have also heard that the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma has offered plum posts to people who are leaving the Congress party. We have also heard that Sushanta Buragohai has been offered the PWD minister. Now the question arises that there are so many BJP MLAs, 4-time MLAs, 3-time MLAs, 2-time MLAs who have not found a place in his ministry. Only those who have been loyal to the chief minister, who are close to him, who have been earlier in the Congress party have found plum positions in his cabinet or in his ministry or in his administration. So this also speaks a lot about the sacrifices that the BJP party is making to accommodate Congress members in their party. We had also seen in how in the last elections Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma managed to get nominations for all his loyal people. Even people who were staunch RSS loyalists were denied tickets. BJP party loyalists were denied tickets. Those people who had nurtured the party during the bad days of the BJP, such people were denied tickets. So it also speaks about the insignificance of the BJP party and cadres that are emerging in the BJP party itself because of the policies adopted by the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. It looks like as if the old party workers have become insignificant in the BJP party. Now everybody is saying that the BJP government in Assam is actually a Congress government in disguise because everywhere you see from the right to the right and left and everywhere of the chief minister you see only Congress people around him. You don't see BJP people. So it is actually the Congress government in disguise in Assam right now, and people are also observing all these things, and we have to see what will happen in the long run.